everyone, I'm now in Taipei, staying at the Suite Ching, the flagship hotel in Taipei. And you can see we are staying in a corner suite this time. So let me give you a quick room tour. So walking in just to show you the size, there's a working area. And then the living area with the TV. Before I go into the bedroom, just want to take a quick look. The welcome fruit, the welcome letter, the Nespresso machine with 6 capsules. And then what I find pretty cool is they have their coffee mug in their signature with the names on. And then they do have a fridge, but it's not a mini bar because they do not have anything inside. It's just a mini fridge here. And then they are providing complimentary water, and also with the wine glasses and a water boiler and a tea set, as well as the ice balcony. So it is all in here. And then this is the corner suite, so you can see very decent size and quite nice decor. Although the hotel has been open for 20 years, it's not too tired. You know, definitely they could have done some renovation, you know, with the wood and everything, but at least it's in decent condition. And with the decor and everything, it's still quite tasteful. So walking in, this is the living room area. Oh, sorry, this is the bedroom area. And another TV here with a small lazy chair sitting area. And then where we put our luggage, iron board. And then with the nice fluffy bathrobe, as well as slippers and stuff. And walking into the bathroom is actually the signature Japanese bathtub. So it's very deep. It's like a hot spring Japanese bath that you may say. And then also with the shower. And then everything is quite automated here. So you can see with the sanitized electricity, toilet bowl, you know, remote control, the wash lid and everything. So that was like this, I guess, when it's first opened 20 years ago. So it's quite well maintained in a way. And they also have a nice living, kind of a community area that I'm going to show in a second. So having a final view. Yeah, that's the Suite, corner suite in Taipei.